What's up, Alpha members? I want to quickly make this video just to show you how to leverage the Social Booster because we're always updating this product of ours. So we want to make sure you guys fully understand it so you actually can use it to the best of your ability. With that being said, as soon as you click on this link over here, it's going to take you over to here. Matter of fact, honestly, it's probably going to take you to, let me just sign out real quick. It's probably going to take you to this page, in which case you got to sign up over here. The only thing is we don't have the reset password on here. So if you guys have any issues with getting onto here, just let us know. We're going to fix that very soon. But as soon as you sign up or sign in the dashboard, or you can sign with Google, simple. First step is really to add funds onto here. Again, this select your amount or a custom amount, boom. You can add funds directly with PayPal once you select 25 bucks. Boom. PayPal, debit card, simple guys. Import your debit card right there so you can actually add funds onto your account. Cool. Next step over here is go to the dashboard. Let this load up. Order history is just show history of previous orders. You're not really going to be able to see API or admin, so don't worry about that. Immediately pops up under here. Sometimes this does happen. Just make sure you hit all categories. And now it would show all the categories on here. Sometimes what happens if you click on this, it won't show all of them until you hit all categories first. And then boom, now you can see all the different options on here that you have available for you. What I always do is what you're probably going to want is you're probably going to want Instagram followers. So go here, Instagram followers. I like to do targeted. Scroll down here. I like to use the American ones. So what I'd honestly just recommend, if you especially if you're planning to use this multiple different times, when you're first starting out, I recommend 500 to 1,000 followers per day. So it doesn't really flag you, but the American-based ones, you got a couple of them. Mostly just different price points. These prices might change in the future. Once you start them, press on this, and you can change it over here. Press order now. You're gonna go to your Instagram. Let's go to Instagram.com. Let's go to our page profile. Add Poppy, the one and only. Boom. Go back over here. Put in your link. Let's say you want 1,000 followers. I think the price will go up. We have to roll out a new update that's gonna make it a little bit better. So the price might be a little bit more than 10 bucks, but still very, very affordable, relatively cheap. The only thing I also want to keep on note is that the different products over here offer different things. So what that really means is you can get followers like this. But what I'm saying is that some of these with the refill, no, refill 30 days, refill 30 days over here. Some of these, like if you ask for 1,000 followers, it would give you 1,000 followers within the 24 hours or 48 hours. But then sometimes you might start tricking off a little bit. So you might lose about 100, maybe 200, if at most. So you might end up with 800 to 900 followers when you order 1,000. So you might just want to refill on again. You have three different ones because some of them do it, some of them don't do that. It's all real people. It's just that sometimes people follow you to get a little money and then they unfollow you. It's kind of annoying. But with that being said, just keep track of it. Pretty simple. If you need any tickets, guys, if you have any questions, just go to tickets on here, create a first ticket, and we'll take care of you. Or just shoot us a message on Discord and we got your back. But guys, that's pretty simple over here. Choose your service. You have a bunch of different things. Of course, go back to all categories first so you can be able to see it all. You got followers, likes, thread likes, website traffic. We're going to be implementing Facebook and YouTube on here pretty soon. Guys, I just want to make this video to give you a quick overview. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help you make more money. God bless, guys. Peace.